Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ktalnews.com and your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Tuesday morning forecast update. Not much nice to say about the weather pattern today. Could always be worse. Our high temperatures today close to 100, and the record territory for us is about 106 degrees, so we're not pushing record highs, but very hot. The heat wave will continue as the heat index this afternoon about 105 to 109, so we do have another heat advisory today, and I'll show you that in just a moment. Yesterday was great in the morning. We had temperatures near 70 degrees. Today our temperature is starting out closer to 80, so it will be a very warm morning today, and should see high temperatures coming in close to triple digits. One thing that will happen today, we'll have quite a bit of wind, so that wind out of the southwest will actually kind of reach up into the upper levels of the atmosphere and pull some of that drier air to the surface. That may help to lower the humidity just a notch or two. You're still going to feel it today, but I think that wind today will prevent our heat index from going over 110, so it is just a heat advisory today. Again, this afternoon, want to limit your time outside as you can get heat-related illness such as heat exhaustion, even heat stroke on a day like today. And the Weather Service pointing out yesterday, we've had 4 heat-related deaths already this summer. So again, we get kind of numb to these heat advisories, but they're there for a reason. So if you can avoid any strenuous activity outside this afternoon, it would be recommended for you. And they go with the caveat that there is possibility today that does get upgraded to an excessive heat warning. We get the excessive heat warning when the heat index goes above 110. Today you can see the numbers peaking about 107, 108 this afternoon, so not very comfortable after the lunch hour today. And won't be any rain to cool us off. You can see our front continues to push further and further north here, so the severe weather threat today will stay well to the north of the Arklatex, and not much hope for any rain, even cloud cover today. And the reason for the heat wave, that area of high pressure, kind of what you'd call a heat dome, which is really baking the desert southwest here. That high is expanded enough that it is impacting us here in the Arklatex and kind of keeping those storms well to the north of us. So again, we will not see this pattern ease on us until we get a little closer to the weekend. So Futurecast from Robins Toyota today does send in just a few clouds this morning, and likely looking at those mostly sunny conditions this afternoon, but again fairly breezy as well, so I'm hoping that breeze will help out just a touch with the heat over the next few days here. Likely we'll see the heat advisories through Friday, then late Friday that high will finally move out of the way, and that will allow a front to dip in Saturday and Sunday. So the front will trigger a few showers and storms here. Should be a very good front to us. I do think the humidity will drop off here as well. The typical high is now 95, so we may squeeze out a few days with below average temperatures over the weekend. Again, too far out to narrow any severe weather threat, but as we've seen all summer, every one of these storm systems has brought some damaging winds, so we may have to be on the lookout for that over the weekend, and we'll keep you posted on that in the upcoming days.